Okay, I'm going to show you a bit more on quizzes today, but before I do, I'm just going to do a bit of a tidying up here and just a recap on some of the things that have been in previous videos. So I want to move this quiz down to a fourth topic. So first I have to add a new topic by going to Edit Settings, scroll down and change the number of weeks topics to 4. Save changes. So now I need to turn editing on and I can grab hold of the move icon and drag the quiz down to topic 4, drop it in, click on the summary page, call this quiz, save changes, and now we have the quiz in its own topic, and it appears in the side menu as well. So let's go back into our quiz now. Preview the quiz will allow you to go and see what it looks like, and there is our multiple choice question. And if I click the wrong answer, submit and finish, tells me it's incorrect and gives me my general feedback. So to add a new question, I now have to go down to this quiz settings menu. So I'm just going to collapse this menu here to bring it up, and I can click on Edit Quiz. And this takes me to my question area. So let's add a new question. And this time we're going to try a true-false. Click Next. Put the question name in. And the text of the question. General feedback we can give if we want to. This time I'm not going to. The correct answer is true, so I'm going to change this to true. And we can add feedback for the correct answer and the incorrect answer. Again, we can add a tag. Click on Save Changes. And that's it. Let's add another question type now. This time we're going to go for a matching question. And these are interesting. The question text allows you to just put a bit of instruction for the user. And what you need to do with these is to select at least 2 questions and 2 answers. You can then, if you want to, add blank questions with alternative incorrect answers. So in this case I've set up LMS stands for Learning Management System, Rocket is based on Moodle, and then I've put a couple of false answers in. Scroll down, ignore any blank ones. Again, you've got the option of providing combined feedback if you want to. And just like the multiple choice questions, you can have settings for multiple tries. In other words, you can lower the score that a person gets if they try more than once. You can add hints for multiple tries, And once again, you've got your tags at the bottom. Save changes. And there's question number 3. One final type of question we'll look at now is short answer. So, LMS stands for Now, the thing to note about a short answer question is that the user has to type in the correct answer. So in this case, they would have to type in learning management system to get it right, and we could give the feedback of well done. Now let's say they type in learning management site. We could say some different feedback for them. The grade here, by the way, needs to be 100% because that's the correct answer. You could give them, say, 75% for getting it almost right. And by the way, up here, you can decide whether or not the answers should be case sensitive. So does it matter, for example, if they use capital letters in the answer as I have? If it does, make it case sensitive. If it doesn't, leave it be. We could decide that learning management are the 2 most important words, and it doesn't matter about the rest. So we can use an asterisk to define any other characters and say that it doesn't matter what they are. And maybe give that one 75% as well. Again, once you're done, you've got your usual options available, and we'll put Moodle in the tag here. Save changes. And there's our 4 answers: multi-choice, true-false, matching, and short answer.